अपने कंधों पर उठाना है। सर, आपकी कर्तव्य निष्ठा और अथक परिश्रम ही नींव है जिस पर हम सुरक्षित हैं और इस सुरक्षित कॉलोनी का ढांचा खड़ा हुआ है। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। वो हैं श्री भोसले और श्री श्रीराम जी, ये डेप्यूटी सिक्योरिटी ऑफिसर अनुशक्ति नगर कॉलोनी BIRC में कार्यरत हैं। लेट्स गिव देम अ वेरी बिग हैंड राइट नाउ। राष्ट्रकवि रामधारी सिंह दिनकर जी की ये ओजस्वी पंक्तियाँ आज हमारे मेहमानों के व्यक्तित्व पर बिल्कुल सटीक बैठती हैं कि मर्त्य मानव की विजय का तूर्य हूँ मैं, मर्त्य मानव की विजय का तूर्य हूँ मैं, अंधेरे में जलता हुआ सूर्य हूँ मैं। सर, आपकी उपस्थिति हमारे युवा खिलाड़ियों के लिए एक जीवंत उदाहरण है कि अनुशासन और कर्तव्य निष्ठा से किसी भी लक्ष्य को पाया जा सकता है। एक सुरक्षित समाज और अनुशासित भविष्य की नींव रखने वाले व्यक्तित्व का हमारे बीच होना हमारे लिए एक गर्व की बात है। विद्यालय परिवार की ओर से आपका हार्दिक स्वागत एवं हार्दिक अभिनंदन। आज हम यहाँ वार्षिक खेल पुरस्कार वितरण समारोह के उपलक्ष्य में एकत्रित हुए हैं। यह अवसर केवल पदक और प्रमाण पत्र बांटने का नहीं है, बल्कि उन अनगिनत घंटों की तपस्या और अटूट संकल्प को सम्मानित करने का है जो हमारे खिलाड़ियों ने खेल के मैदान पर दिखाए हैं। खेल हमें सिर्फ जीतना नहीं सिखाता, बल्कि हार कर गिरना, फिर से उठना और टीम के साथ मिलकर चलना सिखाता है। आज की यह सभा उन सभी जुझारू खिलाड़ियों के नाम है जिन्होंने स्पोर्ट्समैनशिप की एक नई मिसाल दी है। इन्हीं गौरवपूर्ण शब्दों के साथ आइए सफलता के इस उत्सव का आज के पुरस्कार वितरण का समारोह शुभारंभ करते हैं। कहते हैं कि अनुशासन और साहस केवल मैदान पर ही नहीं बल्कि मंच पर भी चमकता है और हमारे विद्यालय के छात्र न केवल अव्वल हैं खेल में बल्कि अपनी आवाज़ का जादू बिखेरने में भी। अब समय है इस उत्सव की बागडोर उन कंधों पर सौंपने का जिनके लिए ये पूरा आयोजन किया गया है। तो चलिए अब मैं मंच पर आमंत्रित करती हूँ हमारे एंकर्स काव्या और आंचल का। आपको ऑल द बेस्ट। कैरियर।
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. As we move ahead with the program and set the tone for this auspicious occasion, let us now proceed with the ceremonial lighting of the lamps. Triumph of light over darkness, knowledge over ignorance, and hope over despair.
हम सभी अतिथियों का हृदय से धन्यवाद करते हैं कि उन्होंने इस समारोह को शुभारंभ प्रदान किया और अब इस शुभ वातावरण को और भी मधुर बनाने के लिए आइए वेलकम सॉन्ग की ओर बढ़ते हैं। कहा गया है अतिथि देवो भव। स्वागत गीत हमारी भावनाओं को व्यक्त करने का सबसे सुंदर माध्यम है। अब मैं आमंत्रित करती हूँ हमारे प्रतिभाशाली विद्यार्थियों को कि वे स्वागत गीत प्रस्तुत करें।
Wonderful day, we all sing together. Meet you richer, your presence we revere. Give us your blessing sincere. Welcome this day, wonderful day. We all sing together. Meet you with cheer, your presence we revere. Give us your blessing sincere. AECS welcomes you. With love and smile we greet you. We will be the shining stars. We will make your dreams come true. AECS welcomes you. With flower and smile we greet you. We will be the shining stars. We will make your dreams come true. Welcome this day, wonderful day. We all sing together. Meet you with cheer, your presence we revere. Give us your blessing sincere. Give thanks to God, let's celebrate. It's Sports Day, happy time, we feel great. Atomic Energy Center Schools, we all feel it's beautiful. Give thanks to God, let's celebrate. It's Sports Day, happy time, we feel great. Atomic Energy Center Schools, we all feel it's beautiful. Welcome this day, wonderful day. We all sing together. Meet you with cheer, your presence we revere. Give us your blessing sincere. Welcome this day, wonderful day. We all sing together. Meet you with cheer, your presence we revere. Give us your blessing sincere. Give us your blessing sincere. Give us your blessing sincere.
Now, I respectfully invite Principal Sir to deliver the welcome address. We are waiting for you, sir.
Moment of extreme happiness for me to welcome each one of you. First of all, on my own behalf and on behalf of Atomic Energy Central School 3, I welcome each and every one of you who is listening me, who is sitting here, including the winner students, including the participants, including the teachers, including each and everyone, and the first and the foremost, the chief guest and guest of honor of today. First of all, I welcome Shri Vineet Pawar Saab, because physically he is not here because of some urgent work, but he has supported this event, he has provided his moral support, and we are still waiting for him. In case he joins, we surely will take the privilege to welcome him, but in his absentia, we express our gratitude and solidarity and happiness that he has supported this program. So extreme thanks to him. I specifically welcome the two people who are from the security department, Deputy Chief Security Officers. First of all, Shri Vikas Bhosle ji. I request our students to please present the potted plant and to formally welcome Sir Shri Vikas Bhosle, Deputy Chief Security Officer. Sir has joined this department, DA, in 2003, and his services and supporting even the school also in all the capacities. So thank you so much, sir, for finding the time and gracing this occasion. I also welcome our Deputy Chief Security Officer, Shri C. S. Sriram ji. I request our students to please come and present a potted plant to warmly welcome Sir Shri Ramji. And my dear students, I am very happy to Shri Ramji is ACS product. And tomorrow, 21st February, is the foundation day of AES. You know AES? You know AES? Atomic Energy Education Society. The umbrella under which all 30 atomic energy central schools are functioning and flourishing. AES was founded in 1969 on 21st February. And at various locations, total 15 locations, AES is running 30 schools successfully, and more than 25,000 students are studying in AES schools all over the country. It is a matter of extreme pride that as a student, as a teacher, as an administrator, we are the part of a very large AES family. I think it's a coincidence, but very pleasant coincidence, that today's guest, Shri Ramji, is alumni and not a very old alumni. 1984 was the year when he passed his 10th class from ACS 2, the nearby school. Let's clap for him. Let's show our gratitude and let's celebrate his success. That tomorrow is the foundation day, and we have one alumnus of ACS schools, so old alumnus, and reached to a very high position, and a work of very huge responsibility he is taking. So when you address the students, I also request that you share your experiences, that as an AC student, what you felt. And I am very sure that in the last 50 years, you must have seen this colony developing and growing, and these all the changes in AC schools and AC students you must have seen as a student and as a security officer also. So welcome once again to you. Because the occasion is the sports prize distribution ceremony, and in my behind there are various packets kept. I feel for the most of the people who were not the part of organizing team, those students must be unaware what is kept inside. I am very hopeful that you must be curious and must be exciting to receive your prizes. So wishing you the best. At the same time, there must be many people, those who have participated, given their best, but still missed from achieving the prize. But the trigger, the motivation, the enthusiasm, the feelings that they have got to perform and to excel and to perform better in next coming time is very important. So for me, the happiness is from all the angles, and especially those people who have an ambition to improve, they are more important for me. Somewhere I read that खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे कि बता तेरी रज़ा क्या है. We must be, when we make prayers, हम हमेशा प्रार्थनाएं करते हैं कि मेरे भगवान मुझे जिताए, मेरे अच्छे नंबर्स आए. हमें खुद को इतना कैपेबल बनाना है कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे कि बता तेरी रज़ा क्या है. खुद को हम इतना कैपेबल बनाएंगे कि डेस्टिनी हमें खुद आके आशीर्वाद देगी कि बताओ तुम्हें क्या चाहिए. एंड आई थिंक जैसा हम चाहते हैं वैसा हो जाता है. हमारे पॉजिटिव वर्ड्स में, हमारी स्ट्रॉन्ग डिटर्मिनेशन में चीज़ों को मैटेरियलाइज करने की पावर्स होती है. तो दिस आई हैव रेड समवेयर. लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. व्हाट यू फील विल हैपन. व्हाट यू एक्सप्रेस, व्हाट यू थिंक विल हैपन. When you think positively, when you determine something very, very strongly, surely you are going to achieve success. It is just about to determine, just about to decide what you want. So best wishes to you all, to all the prize winning people, as well as to all the participants. And I'm very, very hopeful that this is the land from where this Prabhat Kohli, Surya Kumar Yadav, and many sports people have played here and grown up, and now they are representing the country. Best wishes to you all. Grow, keep achieving success, stay happy. Thank you.
ये शब्द हमारे लिए मार्गदर्शन और प्रेरणा दोनों हैं. धन्यवाद सर. और अब आइए जाने पूरे वर्ष की उपलब्धियों की. मैं आमंत्रित करती हूँ श्री राजेश भट्ट सर जी को कि वे वार्षिक खेल एवं क्रीड़ा प्रतिवेदन प्रस्तुत करें।
Thank you, Kavya. Good morning, everyone. Louder. Louder. So before I begin the report, let me share an inspiring quote by the legendary boxer Muhammad Ali. What he says? He says, champions are not made in gyms. Champions are not made in gyms. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them. What is it? A desire, a dream, and a vision. So this is Muhammad Ali says. So respected chief guest, now today Pawar Saab is not well, so in his absence I welcome the two deputy chief security officer. One is Shriram sir and one is Bhosle sir. Respected principal sir, vice principal sir, respected teachers, and my dear energetic young friends. A very good morning to all. I am thrilled and extremely pleased to present the annual Games and Sports Report for the year 2025-26. To ensure smooth coordination of sports activities, our students are divided into 4 vibrant houses, that is blue, green, red and yellow. Our dedicated house masters and teachers motivate and guide the students with great passion and energy. Inter-House Sports and Games 2025-26, the annual Inter-House Sports Competition was conducted across multiple games for the academic session. The Under 14 and Under 19 boys team performed well in inter-ACS competitions. Internal sports events, the 2025-26 annual reports calendar include an array of events conducted within the school to enhance participation at all levels. Athletics competitions were organized for all student groups across track and field events such as 100 meter, 200, 400, shot put, discus, and relay races. Team and individual games annual program included the following competitive sports throughout the year, that is basketball, we have not participated, volleyball boys and girls, football boys, throwball girls, table tennis, badminton and chess, individual events. Additionally, athletics and team events and tournaments formed a fundamental part of the school sporting calendar. The school saw notable achievements at inter-school and higher level tournaments. Volleyball under 19 boys team secured second runner-up trophy in the All India Inter-ACS Volleyball Tournament hosted at ACS Narora. Volleyball state representation, Master Amit Jadhav of class 10th represented the Mumbai team at the Maharashtra State Under-16 Volleyball Championship held in Jalgaon, Maharashtra. Master Chirantar Jadhav of class 10th was selected for the state team qualifying for national level qualifiers for the Under-16 World Volleyball School Level Championship, which was held at China, December 25. Football, Shreyas Negi of class 10 selected for Mumbai district under-17 boys football team and qualified for state level trials. Volleyball team progressed. Our under-17 boys volleyball team progressed to district level competitions after strong performance at the Taluka DSO tournament. Training and year-round sports activity. The school runs internal tournaments in badminton, table tennis, chess and volleyball over the course of the year to keep students active and competitive. Physical education and regular fitness training from part of the curriculum to improve students' fitness, teamwork and sportsman spirit. The house groups, we have divided the students in 3 groups. The first group is sub-junior group, that is 6th standard only, boys and girls separate. Second is junior group, classes 7th and 8th students, boys and girls separate. And the third group is senior group of classes 9th and 10th, boys and girls separate. In November, December, we prepared athletic track for our annual athletic meet. All events were well organized, results documented, and the participation spirit was outstanding. This year, overall championship and runner-up house have been finalized, and you will soon know the champions of 2025-26. Today, 224 hard-working and talented students of classes 6 to 10 will be receiving prizes. Unfortunately, 10th is not there. A huge round of applause for all the winners. Michael Jordan. You know Michael Jordan? Who is Michael Jordan? Yes, a basketball player. He says, I have failed over and over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed. He says like that. In last, I express my heartfelt gratitude to my principal, Sri Vijay Kumar Shukla ji, for his unwavering support, my vice principal, Sri B.R. Mesham sir, for his constant encouragement, all teachers and colleagues for helping conducting every event smoothly, the non-teaching staff for their silent but invaluable support, and our arranging equipment and managing the track. You all deserve a big cheer. With this, I proudly conclude the Annual Games and Sports Report 2025-26. So once again, congratulations to all the winners. Thank you. Jai Hind.
For highlighting the accomplishments and proud moments of our students. Indeed, it has been a year of outstanding achievements. After hearing about the achievements of our young champions, it is time to gain inspiration from our respected guest. I now request our esteemed guest, S. Shri Ram sir, to come upon the stage and address the gathering.
Sir, Shukla sir, and all the students sitting over here. I also started my journey of life from school, number 2. And this is my 57th year I'm staying in the colony. And one thing I want to tell you is, this colony is very planned, good schools we have, you have good environment for studies. You will be seeing that our students are having good repute. You will be knowing that one Mr. Mudit Srivastav, who is presently an IRS officer, is also product of Atomic Energy School. So you should be proud that you have come to such a good school from where you can go leaps and bounds. There is no limit for your studies. And this opportunity everybody doesn't have. This is the opportunity you have to utilize 100%. Listen to your teachers, what they want to tell you. They are your guides who help you. Your parents are at home and Guru is at school. Teachers, streamline your studies. You have to work hard to succeed in your life. Keep this in your mind and you will surely succeed. There is no shortcut for success, only hard work. You have to study hard. Take the help of your teachers. They are good teachers. Take their guidance. Write your exams, pass with flying colors, and come up in your life. That is what I want to say all the students. Thanks for the opportunity. Thank you.
सर, कृपया आपका हृदय से धन्यवाद करते हैं कि आपने हमें प्रेरित किया और अब वह क्षण आ गया है जिसका सभी को इंतजार था। पुरस्कार वितरण समारोह। मैं हमारे विशिष्ट अतिथि से निवेदन करती हूँ कि वे हमें
which is the sub-junior girls. First in the list is Hazra, 6th A, Yellow House, 1st Chess.
Let's wait for a principal sir to...
Next is Shaurya Chavan, 6th B, Greenhouse, 2nd Chess, 3rd Shot Put, 2nd Throw Ball. Next, Gargi, 6th B, Yellow House, 3rd chess, first 200 meter, first 400 meter, first table tennis, first throw ball, and 3rd volleyball. What a nice list of achievements! Let's give her a warm round of applause. Next, Jaita, 6th B, Green, first badminton. Next, Parinita Pawar, 6th A, Yellow House, 2nd badminton. Next, Dhanishka, 6th A, Blue House, 3rd badminton, 3rd table tennis, 2nd 200 meter. A, Yellow House, 2nd table tennis, 3rd 200 meter. Riddhi Pawar, 6th A, Red House, first 100 meter, first shot put, 3rd 400 meter. Daksha, 6th A, Yellow House, 3rd 100 meter. Kimaya, 6th A, Blue House, 2nd 400 meter. Jhanavi, 6th A, Red House, 2nd shot put. Anvita, 6th B, Yellow House, first throw ball, 2nd, 3rd volleyball.
Anvita.
Arohi, 6th A, Green House, 2nd throw ball. Sanvi Mahagaonkar, 6th B, Blue House, 3rd throw ball.
आइए अब जूनियर बॉयज की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। 6th B, Red House, Harsh Chandekar, 6th A, Yellow House, 2nd in chess, 3rd in 4 into 100 meter relay, 3rd in 4 into 400 meter relay, and 3rd in shot put. Shivraj Kadam, 6th B, Green House, 3rd in chess. Anish Dev, 6th B, Yellow House, 1st in badminton. Pratap, 6th B, Green House, 2nd in badminton.
Pratap.
Anay, 6th A, Red House, 1st in table tennis, 3rd in 100 meter, 3rd in 200 meter, and 2nd in 4 into 100 meter relay, 1st in 4 into 400 meter relay. Swaraj, 6th B, Red House, 2nd in table tennis, and 3rd in 4 into 400 meter relay. Anvesh, 6th B, Yellow House, 3rd in table tennis, 3rd in 4 into 100 meter relay, 3rd in 4 into 400 meter relay. Gravit, 6th B, Green House, 1st in 100 meter, 1st in 200 meter, 1st in 400 meter, 1st in 4 into 100 meter relay, and 2nd in 4 into 400 meter relay. Pranav Jadhav, 6th A, Yellow House, 2nd in 400 meter, 2nd in 400 meter, 3rd in 4 into 400 meter relay, 3rd in 4 into 400 meter relay. Chaitanya, 6th B, Blue House, 2nd in 200 meter, 3rd in 400 meter, 3rd in football. Kanish, 6th A, Yellow House, 2nd in shot put. Ankit Kumar, 6th A, Green House, first in 4 into 100 meter relay, second in 4 into 100 meter relay. First in 4 into 400 meter relay and first in volleyball. Kanishk 6B Red House, second in 4 into 100 meter relay, first in 4 into 400 meter relay, first in volleyball and second in football. Pradnesh Gaikwad 6th A Red House, second in 4 into 100 meter relay, first in 4 into 400 meter relay and second in football. Ansh Maurya 6th B Greenhouse, second in 4 into 400 meter relay. Abhidev Kumar Abhidev Kumar 6th A Blue House, third in football and second in volleyball. Swaraj 6th A Yellow House, third in 4 into 100 meter relay, 4 into 400 meter relay. Samarth Rathod 6th A Red House, first in volleyball. Vihan 6th B Red House, first in volleyball. Vishal 6th A Blue House, second in volleyball. इन सभी के लिए जोरदार तालियां।
Blue House, first chess, second table tennis, third throw ball, second volleyball, second 4 into 100 meter relay. Agbaya 8th B Greenhouse, second chess, second throw ball, first shot put. Ashisha Tiwari 8th B Blue House, third chess, third throw ball, second volleyball, second shot put, third discus. Sanvi 6th B Red House, first badminton, first volleyball. Ovi 8th B Red House, second badminton, first volleyball, third 4 into 100 meter relay, third 4 into 400 meter relay. Please give her a big round of applause. Ima 6th B Greenhouse, third badminton, third table tennis, second throw ball, second 4 into 400 meter relay. Maheshwari 8th B Greenhouse, first table tennis, second throw ball, second 4 into 100 meter relay. Vaishnavi 6th A Yellow House, first throw ball, third volleyball, second 100 meter, first 200 meter, first 4 into 100 meter relay, first 4 into 400 meter relay. Please give her a huge round of applause. Swara 6th B Yellow House, first throw ball, third volleyball, second 4 into 100 meter, first 4 into 400 meter relay, first 4 into 400 meter. Please give her a big round of applause. Sonakshi 7th B Yellow House, first throw ball, third volleyball. Swara Sawant 6th B Yellow House, first throw ball, third volleyball. Okay. 6th B Greenhouse, second throw ball, Nirja Mistry. Lavanya 7th B Greenhouse, second throw ball, second 4 into 400 meter relay. Number 55 Sanskriti Gawande 7th A Greenhouse, second throw ball. Durga 7th A Blue House, third throw ball, second volleyball. 57 Samriddhi 6th B Blue House, third throw ball, second volleyball. 58 Sanchi 7th A Blue House, third throw ball, second volleyball, first 100 meter relay, first 400 meter, first 800 meter, second 4 into 100 meter relay. Tejasvi Prasad 7th A Blue House, third throw ball, second volleyball. Hridaya Grover, 7th B, Red House, first volleyball. Durva, 7th A, Red House, first volleyball, third 200 meter, second 800 meter, third 4 into 100 meter relay, third 4 into 400 meter relay. Please give her a warm round of applause. Avyukta, 8th C, Yellow House, first throw ball, third volleyball. Vanshika, 8th C, Yellow House, first throw ball, third volleyball, first 4 into 100 meter relay, first 4 into 400 meter relay. Ruchika, 8th A, Yellow, first throw ball, third volleyball.
Ruchika.
Vidya, 8th B, Yellow House, first throw ball, third volleyball, third 4 into 100 meter, third 800 meter, first discus, first 4 into 100 meter relay, first 4 into 400 meter relay. Shrishti Reddy, 8th C, Greenhouse, second throw ball. Swara Mahagaonkar, 8th C, Greenhouse, second volleyball, second 4 into 100 meter relay. Shreya Pawar, 8th B, Greenhouse, second throw ball. Soumya, 8th C, Greenhouse, second throw ball. Dipiksha, 8th B, Blue House, third throw ball, second volleyball, second 200 meter, third shot put, second discus, second 4 into 100 meter relay. Please give her a huge round of applause. Vaishnavi, 8th B, Blue House, third throw ball, second volleyball. Karuna, 8th A, Blue House, third throw ball, second volleyball, second 4 into 100 meter relay. Krishika, 8th B, Red House, first volleyball. Shreya, 8th B, Red House, first volleyball, third 4 into 100 meter relay, third 4 into 400 meter relay. Aksha, 8th C, Red, first volleyball. Shrishti, 8th B, Red, first volleyball. Shadiya, 8th B, Red, first volleyball. Kimaya, 8th C, Shadia, 8th B, Red House, first volleyball. Kimaya, Kimaya, 8th C, Red House, first volleyball. Nishan.
Give them a big round of applause. Next we have junior boys. Raj Gaikwad, 8th, 6th, 7th B, Yellow House, first in chess. Laksh, 7th B, Greenhouse, second in chess. Next, Arnav, 7th A, Blue House, third in chess, third in football, third in 4 into 100 meter relay, third in 4 into 400 meter relay. Next is Satyajit Patil, 8th B, Red House, first in badminton. Next, Rudra Patil, 8th B, Yellow House, second in badminton, second in 200 meter, third in 800 meter. Next, Tanmay Sawant, 7th A, Greenhouse, third in badminton, first in football and third in volleyball. Next is Advait Bhujbal, 7th A, Blue House, first in table tennis, third in football and second in volleyball. Chaitanya Sawant, 8th C, Greenhouse, third in table tennis, first in football, third in volleyball. Next is Dhyan, 7th A, Greenhouse, first in football, first in 4 into 100 meter relay, first in 4 into 400 meter relay. Next we have Shikhar Sawan, 7th A, Greenhouse, first in football, third in volleyball, third in 100 meter, third in shot put, second in discus, first in 4 into 100 meter relay, first in 4 into 400 meter relay. Keshav, 7th B Red House, first in football, first in volleyball, and second in 4 into 100 meter relay. Shravan, 7th A Red House, second in football.
इधर देखो बेटा.
Advait, 7th A Red House, second in football, second in 4 into 100 meter relay. Samyak, 7th B Blue House, third in football and second in volleyball. Next is Ansh, 7th A Blue House, third in football, third in 4 into 100 meter relay and third in 4 into 400 meter relay. Next we have Prem Thakur, 7th B Red House, second in football and first in volleyball. Bhargav, 7th A Red House, second in football. Next we have Yash, 7th A Red House, second football, first volleyball, second in 4 into 100 meter relay. Next Pratik Khade, 7th A Red House, second in football, first in volleyball, second in 4 into 100 meter relay, third 200 meter, third 400 meter, second in 4 into 100 meter relay. What an amazing list of achievements. Atharv Bagal, 8th B Red House, first volleyball. Aryan Pawar, 7th A Blue House, second in volleyball. Vedant, 7th B Blue House, second in volleyball. Next is Hiten, 7th B Green House, third in volleyball. Next we have Omkar Malunj, 8th C Green House, first football, second, third volleyball, first 400 meter, first in 800 meter, first in 4 into 400 meter. Next we have Pratik Bachao, 8th C Green House, first football, third volleyball. Darshit, 8th C Green House, first football, third volleyball, first 100 meter, first 200 meter, first 4 into 400 meter, first 4 into 400 meter. Keshav, 8th C Green House, first football, third volleyball. Vedant Sawant, 8th B Green House, first football, third volleyball. Arnav Mane, 8th C Red House, second football. Vishwam, 8th A Red House, second football, second 800 meter, second 400 meter, second 800 meter, second 4 into 100 meter, second 4 into 400 meter relay. Arush, 8th A Blue House, third football. Ayush Singare, 8th A Blue House, third football and second volleyball.
इसी का गैप चला गया.
Yash, 8th A Blue House, third football, third 4 into 100 meter relay, third in 4 into 400 meter relay. Next. Avnish Raut, 8th A Blue House, third football. Aditya Bhujbal, 8th C Blue House, second football, volleyball. Omkar, 8th A Blue House, second volleyball, third discus, third in 4 into 100 meter relay. Yashraj Jadhav, 8th C Blue House, second volleyball. Samarth, 8th B Green House, third volleyball, first shot put, first discus. Ranveer Sesar, 8th C Blue House, third in 4 into 100 meter relay, 4 in 400 meter relay. Give them a big round of applause, please.
Next is the category of senior girls. First in the list is Sanvi Nagvekar, 9th A Green House, first in chess, first 200 meter, first 400 meter, first 800 meter, first 1500 meter, second throw ball, first volleyball. Please give her a big round of applause. Those are some truly amazing achievements. Next, Akshita, 9th A Blue House, first badminton, second table tennis, first throw ball, second volleyball. Swara Singh, 9th B Green House, third badminton, second throw ball, first volleyball. Naisha Shetty, meter, second 800 meter, second 1500 meter, first shot put, second discus, third 4 into 100 meter relay. Please give her a huge round of applause. Sadika, 9th B, Yellow House, third table tennis, third throw ball, third 4 into 100 meter relay. Kavya Jangir, 9th A, Blue House, first throw ball, second volleyball. Tejaswini, 9th A, Blue House, first throw ball, second volleyball. Shreya, 9th A, Blue House, first throw ball, second volleyball, first 4 into 100 meter relay. Aditi, 9th A, Blue House, first throw ball, second volleyball. Shrishi Chavan, 9th A, Blue House, first throw ball, second volleyball. Anvi Shirgaonkar, 9th A, Green House, second throw ball, first volleyball, third 200 meter, third 400 meter. Aradhya Gavande, 9th A, Green House, second throw ball, first volleyball. Nitika Jadhav, 9th A, Green House, second throw ball, first volleyball. Sanvi Gautam, 9th B, Green House, second throw ball, first volleyball. Mansi, 9th B, Green House, second throw ball, first volleyball.
Mansi.
Mrinali Jadhav, 9th A, Yellow House, third throw ball. Renuka, 9th A, Yellow House, third throw ball. Shreyal, 9th B, Yellow House, third throw ball. Shifa, 9th A, Green House, first volleyball. Aspruha, 9th A, red, third volleyball, second 4 into 100 meter relay. Nirsara Pavaskar, 9th B, red house, third volleyball, first 100 meter, second 4 into 100 meter relay, second 200 meter. Gauri, 9th A, red house, third volleyball. Bhagyashree, 9th A, red, third volleyball. Let us give them a huge round of applause.
अगली कैटेगरी है सीनियर बॉयज. आयुष चाचन 9th B, Yellow House, first in chess. Parth Patel, 9th A, Blue House, second in badminton. Veer, 9th B, Yellow House, first in table tennis. Arya Bade, 9th B, Red House, third in 400 meter, third in 800 meter, second in 1500 meter, third in 4 into 400 meter relay, first in football. Sarthak Shinde, 9th A, Red House, first football. Akash Jha, 9th A, Red House, second in discus. Vedant Bharadwaj, 9th B, Blue House, first in 4 into 100 meter relay, third in football and second in 4 into 400 meter relay. Hari Harsudan, 9th A, Green House, third in 4 into 400 meter relay and third in volleyball. Sai Charan, 9th A, Red House, first football. Parth Khare, 9th A, Red House, first football. Amay Chandan Shive, 9th B, Yellow House, second football. Shreyas 9B Yellow House second football and second volleyball. Please give them a big round of applause. Aditya Katti 9th A Blue House third football and first volleyball. Khanaksh 9th A Blue House third football. Vansh 9th A Blue House third football. Roshan Kumar 9th A Blue House first volleyball.
So expressive.
Sahil Ahira 9th B Blue House first volleyball.
Purple.
Harsh Ete 9th B Yellow House second volleyball and second football. Abhas 9th A Yellow House second volleyball. Shubham Vibhote 9th A Green House third volleyball.
Individual championships recognize exceptional. I request our chief guest to present awards to the students who have won in the individual championships. First in the list is Miss Riddhi Pawar of class 6A Red House with 11 points. Give her a huge round of applause. Next in the list.
Rajesh sir. Rajesh sir. Rajesh sir.
Miss Sanchi Tambe of class 7th A Blue House with 15 points. Junior boys Master Omkar Balunj of class 8C Green House with 11 points.
Actually, this time there is a tie between two boys. So our principal sir says we'll give both of them a trophy. So first trophy goes to Omkar Valuch in junior boys category.
Master Darshan of class 8C Green House with 11 points. Please clap for your friend. Senior girl Sanvi Nagwekar of class 9A Green House with 20 points. Please clap for her.
और अब वो घड़ी आ गई है जिसका हम सभी को बेसब्री से इंतजार था। जी हाँ, मैं बात कर रही हूँ रोलिंग ट्रॉफीज की घोषणा की, जो किसी भी हाउस के लिए सबसे बड़ी गौरव की बात होती है। और हम ये कह सकते हैं कि ये खाली धातु का टुकड़ा नहीं है, बच्चों की पूरे साल की पसीने की मेहनत की कमाई है, टीम वर्क का नतीजा है। तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं रोलिंग ट्रॉफीज की तरफ, लेकिन सर राजेश सर स्टार्ट करेंगे चौथे नंबर से। जी, तो चौथे नंबर जी, प्रतियोगिता कड़ी थी, फासले Red, green, blue and yellow. We continue the legacy, sir. Next, तीसरे स्थान पर है ब्लू हाउस। आप दोनों ही टीमों ने स्पोर्ट्स स्पिरिट की नई मिसाल कायम की है। अब बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर बोथ द टीम्स प्लीज। और अब बारी आ गई है दूसरे और पहले स्थान की प्रतिष्ठित ट्रॉफीज की। दिल थाम कर बैठिए। अब द्वितीय स्थान पर जो हाउस पहुंचा है वो है येलो हाउस। के अटूट संघर्ष के लिए येलो हाउस के मेंबर्स और टीचर्स, आप सभी से अनुरोध है कि प्लीज स्टेज पर आए और अपनी ट्रॉफी ग्रहण करें। यस, जीत है। उप विजेता होना आसान बात नहीं है, साधारण बात नहीं है, और इस बात का प्रमाण है कि आप जीत के बहुत करीब थे, बहुत 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 करीब थे।
आप इधर आ जाओ।
शानदार प्रयास हाउस के लिए, स्वर्णिम क्षण। मुस्कुराहटें देखिए प्लीज।
ऐसे कर
और ये थी टीम येलो हाउस अपने हाउस मास्टर मिसेस वंदना के साथ। और अब इस वर्ष की सबसे बड़ी विजेता ट्रॉफी, ओवरऑल चैंपियनशिप और प्रथम स्थान की हकदार है ग्रीन हाउस। मेरी माने तो ये वो लम्हा है जो स्कूल के इतिहास में आज दर्ज होगा।
चलो इधर आ जाओ।
विजेता वो नहीं होते जो कभी असफल नहीं हुए, बल्कि वे होते हैं जिन्होंने कभी हार नहीं मानी। आज की ये ट्रॉफी आपकी मेहनत और पसीने का जवाब है। नेक्स्ट, उड़ते हैं पल पल, तन को झंझोड़ते हैं पल पल, सतपथ की ओर लगाकर ही वे हमें जगाकर जाते हैं। वाटिका और वन एक नहीं, आराम और रण एक नहीं। आप सभी के लिए जोरदार तालियां। आप सभी टीम्स के लिए एक बार फिर जोरदार तालियां।
Teamwork and consistent performance throughout the year.
And now comes the most important part of the event, a speech from our honorable guest. I request sir.
गुड आफ्टरनून बच्चों, आवाज आ रही है मेरी? मेरी आवाज आ रही है? मुझे लगता नहीं कि मुझे कुछ माइक की जरूरत है। जरूरत है क्योंकि सिक्योरिटी वाले की आवाज में ही दम होता है। क्या होता है? तो मेरे साथ बोलोगे गुड आफ्टरनून बच्चों, जय हिंद। हमको सबसे बड़ा शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहिए डॉक्टर होमी जहांगीर बाबा का। उन्होंने ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बनाई, इतनी अच्छी कॉलोनी बनाई, इतना अच्छा स्कूल बना के स्कूल के अंदर में इतनी सारी फैसिलिटीज हमको दी है। आप बाहर के स्कूल, शायद आप छोटे हो देखे नहीं रहेंगे, बाहर के स्कूलों में इतने सारे 1000 बच्चे 2000 बच्चों को लेके एक स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स होता है, छोटा सा ग्राउंड। मगर हमारे इधर हर स्कूल के लिए एक अलग ग्राउंड है, पूरा स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स बनाया है अनुशक्ति नगर में। इसका उपयोग कीजिए। जैसे आपके प्रिंसिपल सर ने बताया था कि स्पोर्ट्स में आगे बढ़ना चाहिए। बहुत सारे जैसे क्रिकेट में अभी जो कैप्टन है वो हमारे कॉलोनी से हैं। मेरे जो सीएसओ है, एक्स सीएसओ, अभी बीआरसी के सीएसओ हैं डेनिस डिसोजा साहब, वो डोरेंट कप खेले थे फुटबॉल में। डोरेंट कप एक फुटबॉल में एक नामचीन लीग मैच है, तो डेनिस साहब ने उसके अंदर में खेला है। आज भी वो स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन है, इंजुरीज है, मगर आज भी ग्राउंड पे आने के बाद में उनसे रहा नहीं जाता है।
वो फुटबॉल खेलने के लिए हमेशा आगे आते हैं। एक चीज बच्चों इस माध्यम से बताना चाहूंगा कि पूरी जिंदगी में ना गुरु का स्थान सबसे बड़ा होता है, और आप लोग यहाँ से आगे बढ़ोगे और आगे पढ़ते पढ़ते अच्छी नौकरियों पे लगोगे। शायद आप में से कोई हमारे जैसा एक खाकी वर्दी भी पहन लेगा, मगर आपके स्कूल टीचर्स को कभी भी नहीं भूलना है। मेरे स्कूल के सारे टीचर्स को आज भी मैं नाम से जानता हूँ, उनके चेहरे मुझे आज भी याद है। क्योंकि टीचर, स्कूल टीचर स्पेशली, कॉलेज के टीचर्स वगैरह के लिए मैं बात नहीं करूँगा, स्पेशली स्कूल के टीचर्स, वो हमको मोल्ड करते हैं, एक आगे का भारत बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं। तो सबसे बड़े तालियां हमारे टीचर्स के लिए। ये स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट के माध्यम से मैं मेरे तरफ से कुछ चीजें बताना चाहूंगा। मैंने देखा हुआ है पेरेंट्स या टीचर्स नॉर्मली बच्चे जब मस्ती करते हैं तो बोलते हैं पुलिस को बताओ, या कॉलोनी के अंदर में बताते हैं सिक्योरिटी को बताओ। तो आपके मन में सिक्योरिटी, हालांकि खाकी वर्दी का खौफ क्रिएट किया जाता है, मगर मैं ये बोलूंगा हम आपके दोस्त हैं। और पेरेंट्स और टीचर से एक अपील करूंगा, बच्चों में कभी भी खाकी वर्दी का डर मत पैदा करो। यदि वो डर नहीं होगा तो बच्चे खुलकर हमारे पास में आएंगे, उनके प्रॉब्लम शेयर करेंगे और वो प्रॉब्लम का हम सॉल्यूशन ढूंढ पाएंगे। और सारे बच्चों से अपील है, मोबाइल के गेम से बाहर निकलो और ग्राउंड की रियलिटी के गेम्स खेलो। सेकेंड चीज, आपको कभी भी कोई भी चीज की जरूरत पड़ती है, आप हिचकिचाते हो पेरेंट्स को बोलने के लिए, टीचर्स को बोलने के लिए, खाकी वर्दीधारी आपको आपके कॉलोनी में घूमते हुए दिखेंगे। आपको कभी भी जरूरत है, यू फर्स्ट अप्रोच सिक्योरिटी। सिक्योरिटी हमेशा आपके लिए है, तो कभी भी सिक्योरिटी से डरिए मत। वी आर फ्रेंड्स फॉर यू। थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
धन्यवाद। चार भाषण था, लेकिन हमारे लिए एक थोड़ी सी समस्या खड़ी कर दी आपने। आपने ये कहा कि बच्चों खाकी वर्दी से डरना नहीं है। सर, हम स्कूल में तो ऐसे ही डराते हैं बच्चों को। तो ये भी डर आपने खत्म कर दिया है, हमें कोई नया तरीका ढूंढना पड़ेगा।
मेरा ये कहना है कि बच्चे मोर सिक्योर्ड फील करें रादर देन डरे, कि हम जो पूरे कॉलोनी में या प्लांट को खाकी वर्दी का सुरक्षा दे रहे हैं, उनको अंदर से सिक्योर्ड फीलिंग होना चाहिए। आज डर के माहौल से उन्होंने सिक्योर्ड फील करना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि डर के माहौल से क्या होता है, बच्चे कुछ चीजें गलत देखते रहते हैं कॉलोनी के अंदर में, मगर बता नहीं पाते। यदि वो हमारे को बताएंगे तो हम उसका सोल्यूशन ढूंढ पाएंगे।
धन्यवाद सर। हमने से ज़्यादातर लोग जो है सुरक्षा के बारे में सोचते ही नहीं हैं, और शायद सुरक्षा के बारे में सबसे बड़ी ये है कि हमें बार बार उसके लिए सोचने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर। आपकी खाकी वर्दी हमारी शान है, मान है, हिंद का मान है। जय हिंद सर। एंड नाउ I call upon our respected VP sir for uttering the vote of thanks to the assembly.
Honorable guest of today's function, guest of honor, respected principal sir, headmistress madam, esteemed teachers, and my dear students. Very good afternoon to one and all present here. It gives me immense pleasure to propose the vote of thanks on the memorable occasion of annual sports secondary prize distribution. First and foremost, I express my sincere gratitude to the Honorable Chief Guest of today's function, Sri Vinit Pawar Sir, Chief Security Officer, for accepting our invitation, but due to some meeting, Sir was unable to attend the program. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to our guest of honor, Sri C.S. Ram Sir, Deputy Chief Security Officer, Anusakti Nagar, BRC. Thank you, sir, for your presence. Truly added the value and inspiring to the program. Now may I request the student to give the table, sir.
Done by our Arnav Katwati, our teacher, and the inner work is also done by our students and for Sir Vinit Pawar sir. And one
for sparing the valuable time and giving the guidance to the student. I extend my sincere thanks to respected Principal Sir Sri Vijay Kumar Shukla for his guidance, encouragement, motivation and constant support. I also express my sincere gratitude to our headmistress Srimati Ashwini Nagarale for her continuous support and cooperation. My sincere appreciation goes to Sports in charge Sri Rajesh Kumar Bhatt sir for his dedicated efforts right from the preparation of certificates to the procurement of the trophies and making the program as a grand success. Alriya Banerjee for her valuable contribution in the printing of the sports certificate. I sincerely thanks to all the members of the various committee for the dedicated efforts and wholehearted support in conducting this program successfully. My thanks goes to the office staff and the support staff for their constant assistance in making this event as a grand success. I would like to appreciate and the thanks to the anchor Achal Vara and Kavya Jangir for the beautifully anchoring this program. I congratulate to all the prize winners for their commendable achievement and encourage every student to continue the striving for excellence. I also thanks to ASMC for providing this all. Last but not the least, I thanks everyone who has contributed directly or indirectly to the success of this program and those who present here for their cooperation and support. I would like to end the famous quote by Bailey Jean King, the champions keep the playing until they get it right. Thank you.
Gratitude is the hallmark of a meaningful celebration. Thank you, sir, for expressing your sincere appreciation to everyone who contributed to the success of this grand event. As we conclude this wonderful celebration of sportsmanship and achievement, I request everyone to rise for the glory of our nation and stand for the national anthem.